Hey, have you ever walked away from a networking event and have dozens and dozens of business cards? Processing the follow-ups can take a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use a digital app called Covve Scan to scan in all those business cards and use AI to send that information over to your CRM. Let's get into it. So here I am in the app. It's called Covve Scan. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and you can see how easy this is. We're just going to go ahead and hit the scan button, and we're going to give it access. So I've already actually deleted all my previous contacts in here, and I'm just going to use my business card because I don't want to be putting all my network on blast here. So you can see we simply scan it, and it's going to identify name, job title if it's on there, address if it's listed, phone number if it's listed. Now, I don't list a lot of that information because I pass these business cards out everywhere. But what I can do is I can simply just add in here, Mark Savant. And so I can easily just kind of fill in the gaps here as necessary. Maybe I have a phone number, maybe not. Another thing that's really cool about this is adding a tag. So I can tag this as maybe I met them at the Entrepreneur Organization event, and I go ahead and add that tag. All right, let's go ahead and save that, and done. You can also add this directly to your address book, which is also useful. So you can see how easily that is. I can process dozens and dozens of cards in just a few minutes. Like, the time saving is ridiculous. It's so ridiculous, right? And now what I can do here is up here in the top in these three little dots, I can tap that, and I have different options. You can see this is a pay to play. It costs about $60 for the year to use this tool, but I'm just using my free scans right now. Then I can simply go down here to the export button, and I can export this tag EO, okay? And again, you can start to tag all the events that you go to. Heck, you can go to your local restaurant pizzeria and just grab a bunch of business cards there. You know, however you get your business cards, that's great, right? But we're gonna go ahead and hit next. And I'm gonna go ahead and export this CSV to myself via email, all right? So we'll send it to my email, mark@marksavantmedia.com, all right? So the next step in this process is I'm going to take that spreadsheet, I'm going to upload it to my CRM. You may use HubSpot. I'm using Go High Level. I'm going to upload them all. And because they've all been tagged, I know exactly where I met these people. Next, I'm going to put them into an email nurturing campaign where I'm going to send out emails to all these people that I've met and say, hey, it was great to meet you. Here's what I'm interested in. What are you doing? I'm going to start the conversation going on autopilot, because the goal here is to get as many business cards as we can and also save as much time as possible. Now, some of these people that you've met at your networking event are probably very, very high value, meaning you're going to want a little bit more of a personal touch. Again, with your email nurturing campaign, you can customize that to an extent, but it's not going to be as customizable as well you might have liked. But you could customize it based on their name, maybe the business, maybe where they're from. There's some different things you can do on automation using AI as well. So some really cool things. Once you start incorporating Zapier, you can get some really special results when it comes to copy, text, uploading, spreadsheets, et cetera, et cetera. These are just some various tactics that I use, but I just wanted to highlight this program in this video because if you're processing business cards the old-fashioned way, you are wasting lots and lots of time. I'll put a link below to this app. I don't make any commission off it, but I do it because I want to help you. I want to help you grow your business more quickly. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for subscribing so you can stay in the loop on all the greatest ways to grow your digital business. I'll catch you in the next video.